Okay, good morning. In this exercise, we're going to prove the identity secant to the square of x minus 1 times the cosecant of x should be equal to the sine of x times the secant of x to the square. Okay, so we're going to take the left-hand side and reorganize it using the trigonometric identities. In the parentheses, we have secant to the square of x minus 1. If we remember the identity that says 1 plus tangent to the square is secant to the square, that means that secant squared minus 1 is equal to tangent. So using the identity, this is equal to tangent to the square of x, and that will multiply cosecant of x. Okay, since we have sine on this side, I'm going to change the tangent to the square to sine over cosine to the square. Tangent is equal to sine over cosine, therefore tangent squared is sine squared of x over the cosine squared of x. Okay, and the cosecant, remember, sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Cosecant is 1 over sine of x. Okay, and now we can regroup this as sine to the square of x over sine of x times 1 over cosine to the square of x. I'm just multiplying in a different order. Okay, sine to the square of x over sine of x, that gives me sine of x, and 1 over cosine, the identity says that 1 over cosine is secant, therefore 1 over cosine to the square is secant to the square of x, and that is what we were looking for. Sine times secant to the square, sine times secant to the squared. So we have proved the identity. Thank you very much.